Hey guys, we're back for another video here about the organization of the workshop. Things are still moving along. Everything is going very slowly. In my move, I ended up having to leave some things behind. Either because they didn't fit in here, like my bench saw, and others that I'll still need to Victoria, because I'll still end up going there to do something much less than before, but I'll end up going and having work there. So, among the things I left behind was a bench drill, a soda transformer, and my bench vise, a vise, one of those made of iron. Caption, and it's something I use a lot. I've always used it a lot for welding. I've always used it for roughing iron. Tighten something, so I always used it a lot, and even though I have I ended up feeling a little sorry for using it. For these welding and beating things. I ended up feeling a little sorry for it, I admit. Sounds like anyone who likes tools knows what I'm talking about. And then I ended up getting this one from MetalSul number 8, which is really quite sturdy. The huge sample weighs 12.5 kilos. 200 millimeter jaw opening with 200 millimeters wide, which is really quite a large sample, so I'm still going to decide how I'm going to place it. If I'm going to put it on a separate bench, or on a trunk, or a small bench, sturdy. Or if I'm going to put some input and output system on my main bench, then I'm not ready to decide what I'm going to do. But the fact is that I really wanted to show you because I ended up learning a lesson from this. This is my third bench sample. I broke the first one. And in this one from Victoria, I end up having to work with it many times. With care, some service that I would like to do, I end up not doing for fear of breaking it. So what did I learn from this? It's good to always oversize this bench sample. In my case, a number 6 would suit me perfectly. I ended up opting for number 8, precisely 2. Have that extra when you need it. It's there if you don't need it to. It will be there peacefully. If you need a number 3 sample, it doesn't make sense to get the number 8. So, you'll pay more. You'll have the very heavy sample in the workshop. Now, if you need or 3, get a 4, or get a 6, get something a little bigger. So you'll always be there with the extra equipment. So with that, you avoid breakage, avoid losses. So I think it's worth it. I think that's the main tip I wanted to leave you with. It's worth spending on a slightly bigger one. And this one from MetalSul really impressed me. It's very sturdy, it's very strong. So I think that's it, guys. It's really just to leave this tip for you. Well, I hope you had a good holiday. If you weren't able to travel, at least you managed to manage some of your projects that were on hold. At least you managed to rest. I also ended up traveling. I spent a few days with my family, with my father, and I really enjoyed it. But now we are back to the routine and remembering that next Tuesday we have another video. That's it. Until Tuesday. Hugs to everyone.